Everybody always asks for a tour of my office because there's a lot. So I'm going to give you guys a small tour of my office, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for sitting through my boring intro. Welcome to my boring office tour. So, I have everything from books to rocks to incense to smoking stuff to lighting to I have outfits. I have so much stuff in here, it is ridiculous. So, as I go through, if you guys see anything that you want me to talk more detail on or to see more about, make sure you drop it in the comments so I can make sure to make a follow-up video with that. So, I got bookshelves. I got an abundance of peeps. Stuffies are rampant in our house. Absolutely rampant. I have my couch sectional so we can watch TV and we can game. We can play Xbox, and I have my PlayStation along with a bunch of games, my drawing stuff as well, my desk setup for my laptop, all of my work supplies. I just got a new drawer in so I can actually put like my cords and stuff that I need so I don't have to go find them, and these massive 3 drawers down here that are full of cords. In here I have sweaters. I have this really bad sweater. Like, I love sweaters. I went to garage sales and they were like, do you need more? And I'm like, yes, but no, absolutely not. So that's what I keep in there. And then of course I have lighting. I have LED lights that string all the way around and then through the middle. Dangle, like they go across and come down, and I dangle it and then I run them out to different. So I have little glow lights. Typically I use tapestries for the ceiling and posters more than I do anything else, but I am currently motivating myself to repaint everything white. That way it looks clean and I can separate the tapestries more. That way it doesn't look so cluttered and in your face all the time. I can have something without it looking cluttered into the rest of it where there's too much to look at. I'm also in June going to be getting new furniture, which includes these couches, this chair. Still working on a gaming chair. I will get there. I need a rolling chair so bad. Oh, behind my peep here, I have all of my shoes, gloves, hats, extra shorts, socks, fishnets, socks, more socks, underwear, and then all of my shorts and my jammies. And then I literally have under here, that's actually my box of nails. That red box is all of my fingernails. It's completely crammed. And I finally moved my full-length mirror back in here. I have so much stuff. So if whatever you guys want to see or ask questions about, make sure you let me know in the comments so I can get to them, since this is in the life of a content creator. I figure I would share a blurb of this is what my office looks like and this is kind of what my daily is. So I appreciate the love. Thank you guys for watching. If you've made it this far, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave likes, comments, shares, all of it. And I appreciate it all. But best of all, please hit the subscribe button so you can keep coming back if you enjoy my content. So, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Even if they're older, I still do have a lot. And don't forget to put recommendations in them so I know what you guys want to see. And until the next video, I'm Savage, and we'll see you later.